Governor Cuomo signed the Child Victims Act back in February, and now, beginning next week, a one-year window will open up for victims whose statute of limitations had run out to file a civil case. News Channel 34's Karina Capobianca has more on the law.
This session, lawmakers approved legislation victims of child sexual abuse have long fought for.
It's a 20-year battle for me. And really, it's been over 50 years since I was sexually abused, so, and the memory's, as sharp as it was back then.
Fighting for Children PAC founder Gary Greenberg says by the time he found out who his abuser was at the now closed Cohoes Memorial Hospital,
I couldn't bring any charges civilly or criminally against him due to the statute of limitations.
On August 14th, he plans to file a lawsuit. He says it's not about the money.
I'm going to file a claim, I anticipate I will, against the entity that brought Cohoes Memorial Hospital out of bankruptcy. I feel it's important that I do. I want other victims to see, no matter where you were abused or what the circumstances were, that you have a right to file.
Advocacy groups say it's important for victims to know about the window.
It's better than no window at all. And from our perspective, it would be best if there were no limitations, but we understand the political realities that resulted in this window.
Greenberg says though the Child Victims Act is a terrific first step, there's more to be done.
If you were abused in a rural area or an inner city where the majority of the abuse takes place, child sexual abuse, if you have a relative who is either dead or has nothing, these type victims are having a very hard time finding lawyers.
And he's hoping to have a fund set up for certain victims for things like medicine and therapy in the near future. In Albany, Karina Capobianca.
The act also raises the age for child victims to file criminal cases to 28 years old, and for civil cases, it's up to age 55.